What's up, guys? Here live with 2021 Star Wars Galaxy. We'll get off and going shortly here. We'll get off and going in just a second here.
I think it's just part of the photo.
That's what I thought. Here, look at the other card.
Yeah, I think it's just part of the photo.
Alright. So we got 6 spots here. We've got our vintage Star Wars spot. We've got our global posters, base card refractors and parallels, the Mandalorian Visions. And the autograph and sketch card part spot. So give it 1 second here and then we'll get off and going. Alright, let's get off and going here. Good luck, everyone. So like I said, 6 different spots. I will do my best to keep them separated as we go, but it's not a super familiar, it's not a product I'm super familiar with, so I will try my best. I did open a box just to kind of get a look at it and get an idea of what I'm getting myself into. So here we go. Good luck. So a ton of cool stuff. I had a pretty nice box. I mean, the auto was only a couple bucks, but I mean, all the pictures are beautiful, and there's some really cool and neat inserts and stuff like that. So definitely one I was excited to get an opportunity to break. Alright, box number 1. Good luck, everyone. Alright, here we go. That is the vintage, or the Global Posters refractor. Refractor there. Orange refractor to 25. That is one of the posters, so. The Imperiet Slargen to 25. So that will go to the Global Posters spot. 23 of 25. And Atomic. Numbered to 150. Anakin Skywalker. That'll go to the Refractor and Parallel spot. Padme Amidala. Jawas. Chancellor Valorum. Ian Ruskin. Actually, we'll put the orange up there. I like the orange. Clone Troopers Unite refractor. Darth Vader. Forsake the Dark Side refractor. C-3PO refractor. IG-11. That is the Mandalorian Vision spot refractor. A Dark Presence refractor. And Appearance Slargen refractor to the poster spot. And to 50, I almost missed it. Palpatine Plays Posum. To 50. It's a cool card. And that will go to the base refractor and parallel spot. Base card. I'm going to try and go through a little quicker here. Bring the Force Home Star Wars action figures green to 99. In the Court of the Evil Hutt refractor. Mandalorian Revisions refractor. The Falcon Fires refractor. Ahsoka and General Grievous refractor. Endor Chase refractor. Remote Control R2-D2 refractor. That is the vintage Star Wars card spot. Stormtroopers refractor. Skywalker refractor. Millennium Falcon. That's the vintage Star Wars card spot. Darth Vader. Crushing the Rebels refractor. Lose Lips. Brings down starships. Orange wave. 32 of 99. Cool looking card. Bad me. Alright. Box 2. Try and go a little quicker with this one. Alright, box 2. Window refractor. Han Solo refractor. Droids. Skywalker's refractor. Chewie refractor. It's the throwback, the global posters refractor. Jango Fett base. Darth Maul refractor. Mando refractor. Droids only refractor. Purple, Gwizdani Wajni to 50. This is the poster spot. Celebrates Leia Atomic to 150. Already assembled Millennium Falcon. That is the vintage Star Wars cards. Vader Prism to 75. 69 of 75. Second half. Star Wars posters refractor. Luke Bontary autograph out of 50. Lux Bontary auto out of 50. We'll pull that one off. Yeah. Alright. The Scavenger's Refractor. Here we go. It's kind of a cool one. Sketch card from Robert Garcia. Going to the autograph and sketch card spot. Robert Garcia. And let's bump this one. Mandalorian Visions Refractor. Han Solo, Young and Old. Well, Han Solo, Luke, and then Ben Solo. Posters Refractor. Alright. That is box 2. I think I'm mixing up my vintage. Give me one sec here. Yeah, vintage and global posters are separate. Alright. Final box. Good luck. Not a bad second box. Alright, so one autograph / sketch card left. Alright, first half here. Global Posters Refractor. Ray Refractor. Darth Vader Refractor. This is the Global Poster Refractor. Evan Piel, auto out of 150. Man, I loved him in Star Wars: The Clone Wars. It's one of my favorites. So nice auto to end it. Evan Piel. Let's bump the value, or we'll just put it up there with it. ATST Refractor. Atomic out of 150, Padme Amidala. The Finest of Naboo. Alright. Second half of our third box. Good luck. Alright, here we go. Windu Refractor. IG-11 Refractor. Millennium Falcon Scale Model. The Vintage Star Wars card spot. General Grievous Refractor. It's a cool one. Wow, 1 of 5. A Dangerous Boba Fett with the red logo change. Numbered 1 of 5. It's a nice hit. Sweet card. A Dangerous Boba Fett, numbered 1 out of 5. Awesome card. Let's see, we'll bump this one. Put that in our pile there. Alright. So nice hit there, going to that parallel spot. Darth Vader Regrets Refractor. Mandalorian Visions Refractor. Remote Control R2-D2. Going to the global poster spot, or vintage Star Wars card spot. Leia Refractor. And base Darth Sidious. Alright, that is the break here. We'll do a recap. Let's see. Alright, vintage Star Wars card refractors. Millennium Falcon, Remote Control R2-D2, Millennium Falcon R2-D2, Millennium Falcon already assembled, and then the action figure. It's a cool card. Alright, stash the base real quick. Alright, the Mandalorian Vision spot. IG-11, Mando, the armor, Mando, and then IG-11 again. Global poster card spot. Top loader on this one. So out of 50, purple to 50 C3PO, and then base refractors here. Alright, and then base refractors and all the numbered stuff going to the same spot. And we'll make sure we didn't, I pulled out all the refractors I could, put them there in their own pile. But if I missed any, we'll make sure to grab them out. So all refractors here, just a ton, probably 25 or 30. And then numbered stuff going to that spot. Let's see here. Alright, loose lips bring down starships, orange wave to 99. Bring the Force home, Star Wars action figures. Oh, that's the vintage Star Wars card spot. My bad. I'm trying my best. So that actually goes to the vintage Star Wars card spot. My bad. Just probably look through the rest. Alright. And I've got Grievous. Let's see. Palpatine plays Posum to 50. Vader Prism to 75. Celebrate Atomic to 150. Padme Atomic to 150. And Skywalker Atomic to 150. And showcase here. A couple others for that same refractor spot. Imperiant Slargen orange to 25, 23 of 25. That's the global poster spot. And then autos, 3 autos. Evan PL auto out of 150. Chancellor Valorum base auto, and Lux Bonteri purple auto to 50. And then a sketch card for that spot too. Robert Garcia sketch card. And your Hulk Smash hit of the break. Beautiful card. Numbered 1 of 5, Boba Fett. A dangerous Boba Fett. Numbered 1 of 5 with that red logo change up in the top left. So beautiful card. Appreciate everyone hanging out tonight. You guys have a great rest of your night. We will see you sometime either throughout the week or we'll see you next weekend. But I think we'll have something throughout the week. So appreciate everyone hanging out. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. And until we see you next time, we will make sure to make a post on the page. So have a great week and have a good rest of your night. Thanks, guys.